Hello, my name is Jessica. I am from Quetame, Cundinamarca. Today I am going to talk about an important place in Tocancipá. I choose the section about the search of the Knights of the Virgin. I choose this section because it is a very special and traditional place. It is one of the most interesting places to visit in Tocancipá. The church is very peaceful and has beautiful architecture. It is located in a central area, so it is easy to find. You can sit and admire its design while enjoying a calm atmosphere. In conclusion, this church is a perfect place to visit if you want to feel calm and discover a special tradition. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.